Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you an introduction to your agent dashboard. This is your IDXBroker Agent Dashboard. You should have received an email by now with a link to the agent dashboard and your login information. If you haven't, just simply send us an email to support@yoursiteneedsme.com and we'll be happy to send that over to you. When you first log into your IDXBroker dashboard, you're going to see it's kind of blank, and that's because it gives you the control to add some widgets to it. As we go through all of the different sections on the left-hand side in some of the videos that you're going to see after this introduction, you're going to see different widgets that you can add to your dashboard section. As quick widgets, though, you can click right here under Add a Widget, and there's going to be 4 quick ones that you can add: Tips and Tricks, Quick Links, Recent Leads, and Bio Page Link. So let's go ahead and add those. Okay, so now you see something in your dashboard. This is going to give you a quick link to view some of the different things that you can do in your dashboard. And just as you get familiarized with this, you'll understand these a little bit better, but they're pretty self-explanatory. On the left-hand side, you're also going to have a menu. As you click the plus symbol, it will expand the sections of each part of the menu. The first one is the home, and that shows your dashboard, your bio, and your message center. The second one is your listings. This is where you are going to control your listings that show up on the website. So for instance, if somebody is viewing your profile on the website, these are the listings that are viewed here. They're imported directly from the MLS. However, when somebody views your listing, you can actually add more details to the property. So if you have any properties that you wanted to add, for instance, additional comments to or property information, down here, you can add them. It will not feed that data back to the MLS, so by changing it in IDXBroker, you are not changing it in the MLS. However, if your MLS limits information, like you can only have so many characters for the comments, the remarks, you can actually add more in IDXBroker. So that's one of the benefits of using the dashboard to edit your listings. You also have your sold pending listings. These are connected to only your listings that you represented and were the seller on. If you are not the seller, you can actually add in a listing as a buyer's agent under supplemental. As a brand new listing, you would add it very similarly to how you would add it in the MLS. We'll go over this in a later video. And it will show up on your sold pending listings. You can also manage your leads here. When a client comes to the site and they add a property to their favorites, they are asked to sign up and create an account, just like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, all of the above. And when they create an account, they will be able to log in to their account on your company website and manage their own listings, set up emails to receive new listings that hit the market or price changes and things like that. And through your agent dashboard, you'll be able to push them new listings, set up property alerts that are sent to them, and export that data so that you can use it in other CRMs. You can also access the support system here, the knowledge base if you have questions. This does cover all of the details for IDXBroker. For regular clients, you have what is called an agent account. That is a light account. It's a little bit different than a full IDXBroker account, but we are here to help you and support you with any of the questions you have. So we highly encourage you just to send an email over to us at support@yoursiteneedsme. We will walk you through this individually, each agent. We can also do webinars as well, and we can screen share with you. So if you send us an email and tell us you need some help, we are here to do anything that you need and help you with any part of the dashboard that you don't understand. And we'll personally walk you through it. Just shoot us an email at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.